In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to Kaggle Notebook. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your notebook, and then all you have to do from here is basically just click on the input button over here to actually extend this, and then you want to click on the upload button. Here you want to do new data set, and then in here you simply want to drag and drop your image, or of course you could also search for it. So I'm going to browse files over here. I'm going to go under my downloads here, and then I'm going to find my image here. There we go, there it is, and I'm going to click on open. There we go, and then you have to give it a name. I'm going to name this images up here just for this tutorial, and then of course you can do it private or public, it's up to you. And here just click on create. It's going to say that it's already existing because I've already done that just for like the testing purposes. So I'm going to name this images123, and then I'm going to click create. It's going to start creating itself. And then within just like 20 seconds, there we go, it was actually much quicker. You can click the close button and you'll be able to see it's currently adding data source. And then here on the right hand side under data sets, you'll be able to see your image that you actually put in here. And that's how you can do it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.